Okay, so I currently feel like my entire life has been a lie. What's up, travelers? From Ankara, you can see Esenboga Airport is where I am, and oh my gosh, it is so beautiful outside today. I don't want to go flying. I don't want to leave here because I've never been in Ankara before, and it is just, check this out. The view from the airport is, wow, stunning. So today I'm flying another new airline, and as you can tell by the title, it's going to be interesting. Here we go. Ankara Airport during the daytime looks quite nice, to be honest. So today's video is all because of you guys. Thanks so much for getting me 5,000 likes on my Airlines I Refuse to Fly video, because now I need to fly an airline I refuse to fly, so great. Today I'm flying none other than Pegasus. This was the one that really shocked me most in your guys' comments. So many of you were saying I was wrong. You said Pegasus is a great airline, you had good experiences with them. So I'm really excited to see what today's flight is like. I have a 2-hour flight from Ankara to Amman. I didn't want to do just a domestic flight in Turkey, which would have been easiest because I want to see if I can get the full experience. It's going to be on a 737, it's going to be good. So let's see if I was justified in saying that I refused to fly it. I think maybe I spoke too soon. Now though, I think I need to go back and get Rose Turkish Delight, because this place over here, I tried some Turkish Delight there. They had rose flavor. I love anything with rose flavor. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some Turkish Delight and live my Narnia fantasy. Okay, here I am. This is just too much fun. Let's see if they have it. Okay, got my Turkish Delight. Zero waste, what? And now up to the lounge. So that was it for the quick lounge visit. The lounge was decent. I had some olives and stuff, but the lady at the counter didn't know how to accept priority pass, so she just let me in, even though it was a priority pass lounge. I just wanted to show you this. It's so funny because Oscar always says this: I have such a sweet tooth. Like, I generally have good self-control, but if I buy anything sweet, it's gone within an hour. Like, whether it's a cake or something, I always just eat it straight away because I'm like, why postpone the enjoyment? I'm just gonna have this now and live my best life. So the biggest challenge over the coming 2 more days of this trip is gonna be trying not to finish this, because I've already been so tempted and it's been like 15 minutes since I bought it, so wish me luck. So with the Turkish Delight still on my mind, I headed down to our bus gate. Woo! So you guys, tell me I'm not the only person who gets anxiety taking buses to the plane. Not because the bus per se is bad, just because when you have to get off, it's like suddenly the floodgates to a bank have opened and everyone's like, grab all you can. I get so stressed, so what I usually do is just stay behind, and I'm like, okay, let me just wait in here. I don't have to fight a war to get on the plane. Here's me just looking ridiculous, posing for my thumbnail, which I probably won't end up using anyway, but welcome to my life. Also currently loving the guy with a neck pillow who just walked under the wing for some reason. Also, I was definitely an oddball on this flight. There was a diplomat from the US sitting on the row in front of me on the opposite side of the cabin, but I was the only Western European just sitting there like, hey guys, don't ask me why I'm traveling from Ankara to Amman. Just accept it. I'm here to fly Pegasus. I came all this way. Let me enjoy it. Also, am I the only one who feels like if you're gonna have your website printed huge on your aircraft, don't you want to have like a nice URL? Flyingjoy.com, not flypgs.com. It's just, if you don't know the airline is called Pegasus, you're like, what? Also, can we just talk about the fact that the registration of my aircraft was CPR? Too appropriate. Okay guys, welcome on board Pegasus economy class. Look at this, there's like a semi headrest. And let's get into the seat. Okay, wow. The legroom is also really good. Oh my gosh, you guys. What? Why has no one told me this? I feel tricked. I feel like people haven't been sharing the truth about Pegasus. What the heck? Okay, so I currently feel like my entire life has been a lie, because I don't know why I've been flying British Airways, Lufthansa, KLM. They can disappear by. Pegasus has incredible legroom. This is among the most legroom I've had in economy ever. Like, seriously, you guys, this is row 4. If you want to sit here, I don't think I paid much to pre-order this, but the amount of space I have is wow. And we have these headrest type things like I showed you, support for when you sleep, plus some kind of course the seats can recline, and we have some kind of radio. I don't know if that works anymore, but yeah, wow. If you guys are from Turkey or if you've flown Pegasus, please let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear how your experience was, how it compares to mine with the legroom and stuff. And of course, now I'm kind of excited to see the rest. I'm like, why did I refuse to fly Pegasus? Stupid. Let's check this out. What kind of food can we get on Pegasus? Their catering is by Doe & Co, which is, people pretty much agree that it's the best catering company in the world when it comes to aviation. Other airlines that have it include Turkish Airlines and Austrian Airlines. I love the Minute Maid is called Cappy here, that's cute. It's so funny, yesterday after taking 2 flights on Ryanair, I took my last one on Ukraine International, and I noticed I got so used to just having all my stuff in my lap, like my camera, my phone, that I didn't even want to put it in the seat pocket because I was like, oh, what if I forget it? But now I'm thinking maybe I actually should use the seat pocket when there is one because there's a reason it's there. It's very convenient as long as you don't forget anything inside. So soon enough, we blasted off to Amman, left Ankara behind. The views on departure were stunning, by the way, so I think I need to go back here. This was a nice day for me because I was on a short review trip, 3 days of flying. Ultimately, the goal was to take the world's shortest A380 flight. So if you haven't seen that video yet, it's on my channel. It will come up in a card now. But this was my only day with just one flight, which was really, really nice. And as it turned out, the flight wasn't too bad. So who's ready to see the meal? This is my pre-ordered meal. It's a mung bean salad. And honestly, it looks delicious. I am so excited to eat this. It smells good. We have some Doe & Co, olive oil. So yeah, this looks really good. Let's give it a try. Pegasus also has Wi-Fi. Wow, check this out. We have flight info, entertainment. So they charge, but I wouldn't say that's too bad. €2 to access all the entertainment. Surprisingly, there's no Wi-Fi.
Bayanlar, baylar ve sevgili çocuklar. Emniyetiniz için ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar kemerlerinizi...
Okay guys, made it to Amman, Jordan. Check this out, they have new stamps in Jordan. This is literally a stamp. So are you guys ready to see my hotel room here in Jordan? Ta-da! So I am staying here at the Intercontinental Jordan, as the hotel is called. Here is my room. I was upgraded to some kind of premium room, but as you can see, it is huge. The bed looks so comfortable. I am dying to go to sleep in here. We can work here and admire ourselves in the mirror. Hello. And yeah, this is the room. And also the view is so cool from my room. Check that out. Really, really beautiful. We've got the mountains up there. And now for the bathroom, which is also quite funny. Check this out. So the sink is here when you come in. And then we have the shower in here, which is in a walk-in room. Little walk-in shower, which is really big. Then we have a bidet and a toilet, but we also have a bathtub with another shower. I always talk about the magic of credit cards, but it really is the magic of credit cards. I'm staying here today for free thanks to the IHD credit card I have. I pay $49 a year as an annual fee, and I get 1 annual stay for free. So paying $49 for this, plus I get elite status with the credit card, which got me this upgrade. So really it's such a good value, and having come from flying Ryanair, Ukraine International and Pegasus to this feels so good. Now we're going up and up and up. Tomorrow I'm flying Emirates, albeit in economy, still quite good, and then business class on Swiss back home. So should be a lot of fun. Now let's give you some concluding thoughts. So guys, here I go. I'm about to say the sweetest words known to man. You were right. I was wrong. I don't know why I judged Pegasus. I don't know why I said they were an airline I refused to fly. It was probably a combination between being scared because Google Flights said they had really bad legroom and the fact that you can fly from Stockholm to Dubai or even further on Pegasus that I was like, ooh, a low-cost airline for that? No, thank you. But I was so unjustified in saying I would refuse to fly them. There are other airlines on the list such as my safety categories, but as far as comfort, if I hadn't flown the airline, now my real lesson is that I shouldn't judge them. Vueling, I will continue to boycott because I know that it is super uncomfortable, but actually I was so positively surprised by Pegasus. The legroom was great. I don't remember how much I paid for the seat, but it was very minimal. And I paid just a little bit extra for the meal, which was delicious. As you saw, there was also entertainment available for just €2. So honestly, Pegasus is really not that bad. In fact, I wouldn't hesitate to fly them again. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me realize that I'm not as smart as I thought. Now I'm excited for my day here in Jordan. It's going to be fun. I've explored Amman before, so I know which restaurants to go to. I'm going to buy some more Middle Eastern snacks. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. Maybe if this video gets 5,000 thumbs up, which would also be completely crazy, I don't know how it could, but if it gets 5,000 thumbs up, I promise to fly another one of the airlines that I said in that video that I refused to fly. I'll put it in a card so you can watch that video if you haven't already. Also, I'm super excited because starting today in every single video, I'm going to be giving a shout out to one of you guys. I just want to be able to thank you guys publicly for your support. All you've got to do is follow me on Instagram. Every single video, one of you who supports me either by commenting or sharing something in a story will get a shout out. This Monday's shout out goes to my viewer, Laith. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until I see you all next time, fly safe.